Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram call notification not showing problem or Instagram call receiving problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, go to manage apps, search Instagram apps, tap on Instagram application, again click on storage, tap on clear data, again tap on clear cache data on Instagram application, go back, again click on apps permission, you can allow all Instagram apps permission, again click on notification, turn on all notification. Step 2. Open Play Store, click on search, search Instagram application, update your Instagram application, latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram call notification not showing problem or call receiving problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.